Good morning, students. In our session today, we are going to start revision on algebra and statistics. First question, if x equals 2, 3, 7, and the set y 3, 4, 8, the set z is 2, 9, and 8. The first question is find x intersection y product z. You know that the Cartesian product of two sets means that you are going to form pairs from two sets, forming pairs from two sets. X intersection y. X intersection y means the common elements between x and y. Now we are going to solve the x intersection y. X intersection y equals 3. And the set Z is 2, 9, 8. So we want to get the Cartesian product of 3, product 2, 9, 8. Now we are going to form the pairs. The pairs. The first pair, 3, 2. The second pair, 3, 9. The third pair, 3 and 8. The second one, y difference x product z difference y. Y difference x. Y difference x means the elements in the set y and not in the set x. Elements in the set y and not in the set x are 4 and 8. Then y difference z 4 and 8. This is a set. Z difference y. Z difference y elements which are in the set Z and not in the set Y, which are 2 and 9. Now we will get the Cartesian product of 4 and 8, 2 and 9. Form the pairs 4, 2. 4, 9. 8, 2. 8 and 9. This is the Cartesian product of two sets. The second question. The set x equals 2, 3, 5. The set y equals 6, 7, 8, 10, 14, 16, and 20. R is a relation from x to y. There is a relation between the elements of the set x and the elements of the set y. The relation means B equals 3a plus 1. B equal 3a plus 1. This is the relation between the elements of the set x and the set y. Let the elements of the set x to be A and the elements of the set y B. 6, 7, 8, 10, 14, 16, and 20. B and A. The relation is B equals 3a plus 1. This means that you are going to multiply every element in the set X by 3 and add the result to 1. Multiply 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, equals 7. 7 is one of the elements of the set Y, B. Then the order pair 2 and 7 satisfy the relation. 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Then 10 is one of the elements of Y. Then the order pair 3, 10 satisfy the relation. Multiply 5 by 3, 15, plus 1, 16. One of the elements of the set Y. Then 5, 16 satisfy the relation. Okay? This is the relation between the elements of the set X and the elements of the set Y. The second question, no, the first question, after getting the relation R, represent it by arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. Arrow diagram draw the elements of the set X and the elements in the set Y represented in a rectangle like this. The set X, 3, 2, 3, 5. The elements of the set Y, 6, 7, 8, 10, 14, 16, 20. Now, the order pairs which represent the relation between the elements of the two sets, 2, 7, 2, 7, 3, 10, 5, 16. This is an arrow diagram which represents the relation between the elements of the set X and the set Y. Arrow diagram. The second question is, if R is a function, find its range. You know that the relation between the elements of the set X and Y is said to be function if every element in the set X has only one image in Y. 2 has only one image, which is 7. 3 has only one image, which is 10. 5 has only one image, which is 16. Then we can say that the relation between X and Y is a function because every element in the set X has only one image in Y. Sorry, there is an error in connection. سامعني كده يا جماعة؟ Okay. The relation between the elements of the set X and Y is said to be function because every element in the set X has only one image and only one image. Find the range. You know that the range is the set of image in Y. And you know that the range is a subset of the codomain Y. You know that X is the domain and the codomain is the set Y. Range is the subset of the codomain Y. Then, if the relation is function, then it has range. The range is the set of elements in Y, 7, 10, and 16. Then, the range, which is the set of images, equal set 7, 10, and 16. The third question. The third question, X equals 2, 3, 8. And R is a relation on X. We have only one set X. And the relation on the elements of the set X, or the relation between the elements of the set X only. The relation between the elements of the set X means that A plus B is a prime number. Prime numbers, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers, they are numbers which have only one factor, or divisible by itself only. A plus B is a prime number. Let's say that 2 and 3 and 8, A and B at the same time. A and B at the same time. Then we are going to add every element of the set X, A plus B. Let's start by 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is not prime number. 4 is not prime number. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is a prime number. Then the first order pair satisfies the relation 2, 3. Then 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 is not prime number. Now we have finished 2. Start 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Then 3, 2, satisfy the relation. 3, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is not prime. 3 plus 8, 11. Then 3, 11, and 3, 8, satisfy the relation. Now 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is not prime number, so it doesn't satisfy the relation. 8 plus 3, 11. Then 8, 3, satisfy the relation. 8, 8, 8 plus 8, 16 doesn't satisfy the relation. Then the order pair which satisfy the relation 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 8, 8, 3. The question is R function or not? R is not function. Why? Because 3 has 2 images. One of them is 2, the other image is 8. Then the relation which represents R is not function, R is not function. Why? Because 3 has 2 images. Then the relation is not function, then it has no range. Okay? Let's have the 4th question. The 4th question. If the point M and 3 lies on the straight line which represents the function f of x equal to x plus 7. This is the function f of x equals 2x plus 7. This function is a linear function or first degree function because x of the first degree. This is the function. You know that the linear function is represented graphically by a straight line. Whatever the straight line is, graphically, the function is represented by a straight line. And the straight line contains an infinite number of points. The point M3 is one of the points of the straight line. The point M3 lie on the straight line, 2x plus f of x equals 2x plus 7. The point is M and 3. M represents x coordinate, 3 represents y coordinate. And the question is to get the value of M. We will substitute in the function by f of x, which is y, 3, and x, m. Let x equals m. Let f of x equal 3. X and y, x f of x. Then 2m plus 7 equals f of x layer 3, y. Then 2m equal 3 minus 7, negative 4, divided by 2, then m equals negative 2. Then the point M3 is located on the straight line which represents the function f of x equal to x plus 7. The question is to get the value of m. Substitute x by m, substitute f of x by 3, then you will get the value of m equals negative 2. The 5th question, question number 5. Question number 5 is tricky. If the straight line which represents the function f of x equal to x minus k, f of x equal to x minus k. And the straight line intersects y-axis at the point M and 4. You know that the point of intersection with y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. Then the point intersects y-axis at point M and 4, then m equal 0. Now we are going to get the value of k. Get the value of k. Substitute f of x by 4 and x by 0. Again, substitute f of x by 4, substitute x by 0, you will have the value of the unknown k. Then 2x, 2 times 0, minus k equals 4. Equals 4. Then negative k equals 4. Then k equals negative 4. Now we have the value of m and the value of k. The question is to get the value of m minus k. M minus k. m0 minus negative 4. K is negative 4, so it will be plus 4. Then m minus k equals 4. Question number 6. Question number 6. If the point 2, 3 lie on the straight line which represents the function f of x equals ax plus b, the point 2, 3 is located on the straight line which represents the function f of x equal ax plus b. We have two unknown, a and b. Substitute x by 2, substitute f of x by 3. A, x by 2, f of x by 3. Then 2a plus b equals 3. We have the equation 2a plus b equals 3. The question is to get the value of 8a plus 4b. 8a plus 4b. Look at these numbers, 2 and 8, 1 and 4. If we multiply the equation 2a minus 3 by 4, after multiplying the equation 2a plus b equals 3 by 4, we get 4 times 2, 8a, plus 4 times b, 4b, equal 3 times 4 equals 12. Because when we multiply an equation by a constant number, multiply all the terms, left-hand side and right-hand side by the same number 4, then 4 times 2a, 8a, 4 times b, 4b, 4 times 3 equals 12, then 8a plus 4b equals 12. Okay? Now question number 7. Question number 7, f of x equal to x plus k. And third f of 2 equals 5. Third f of 2 equals 5. And we want to get the value of k. Third f of 2 equals 5. We will get the value of f of 2. f of 2. F of 2 equals 5 divided by 1/3, 5 divided by 1/3 to get the value of f of 2 only. 5 divided by third equals 15. Then f of 2 equals 15. This means that we are going to substitute x by 2, and substitute f of x by 15. Again, f of 2 equals 15. Sorry. This means that you are going to substitute x by 2 and f of x by 15. This is the value of f of x, y, and this is the value of x2. Now, 2 times 2 plus k equals f of x, which is 15. Then 2 times 2, 4, plus k equals 15. We will get the value of k equals 15 minus 4. Then k equals 11. This is the value of k. We have finished number 7. Then question number 8. Question number 8. If 3x plus 1, 15, and 25 are 4 proportional quantities, 3x plus 1, 15, 25 are proportional. This means that 3 over x plus 1 equals 15 over 25. First proportional, second, third, fourth. Then, using cross multiplication, you will get the value of x plus 1. By crossing these numbers, x plus 1 equals 3 times 25 over 15, it will be 5. Then x plus 1 equals 5, and the question is to get the value of x, then x equals 4. Okay, this is a simple question. Now let's take question number 9. Question number 9. 2a x 3b 2x are proportional quantities. And the question is to get the value of a over b. You know that 2a, x, 3b, 2x are 4 proportional quantities, means that the first proportion is 2a, the second is x, the third 3b, the fourth 2x. Then 2a over x equals 3b over 2x. By crossing these ratios, you will get that 2a times 2x is 4ax. 3b times x is 3bx. We can cancel x from both of the two sides, the left-hand side and the right-hand side. We will cancel x from both sides. The rest of numbers, 4a equals 3b. Now, after canceling x from both sides, we can get the value of a over b equals 3 over 4. Then a over b equals 3 over 4. If we want to check it, we are going to cross these numbers. A times 4 is 4a, 3 times b is 3b, and we have the 10th question now. The 10th question. The ratio between two integers is 2:3. The ratio between two integers is 2:3. You know that 2:3 is a ratio. They are not the real values of the two integers. 2:3. Now, let the first integer to m and the second 3m. Or you can let the first 2x and the second 3x, 2k, 3k, 2m, 2n, 3n, and so on. This is the real value of the first number 2m and the real value of the second number 3m. What happens if we add 7 to the smaller and add 8 to the greater? We will add 1 to the smaller to be 2m plus 7. And we add 8 to the greater, 3m plus 8. The ratio will be changed into 3:4. The new ratio between the two integers is 3:4. By crossing these numbers, take care, cross multiplication, 3 times 3m plus 8, multiply 3 by 3m, and don't forget to multiply 3 by 8. And the right-hand side, 4 times 2m, 8m, 4 times positive 7, positive 28. Then 9m plus 24 equals 8m plus 28. Now collect like terms. 9m minus 8m in one side and 24 then you will subtract 9m from and 8m, it will be m. 9m minus 8m is m, 28 minus 24 is 4. We got the value of m. But the question is to get the real values of the two integers. The two integers, 2m and 3m, replace m by 4 to get the first number. 2 times 4 equals 8. And 3 times 4 equals 12. Then the real value of the two integers, 8 and 12. Question 11. If B is the middle proportional of A and C, B is the middle proportional of A and C, means that A, B, and C are proportional. A, B, C are three quantities in proportional, then this type of proportion is continued proportion because we have three quantities only. Continued proportion. Continued proportion, and B is the middle proportional of A and C. Then A over B equal B over C equals M. A over B equals B over C equals M. Then, in case of continued proportion, we will substitute A by A equals Cm power 2 and B equal Cm. Let A equal Cm power 2, let B equals Cm, because this is a continued proportion. The question is to prove that B minus C over A minus C equals C over B plus C. We will substitute in the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Substitute. Let's have the left-hand side. Left-hand side, because the question is to prove that the left-hand side and the right-hand side are equal. Left-hand side, B is Cm minus C over A Cm power 2 minus C. Take C highest common factor from the upper term. We will take C common factor because we cannot reduce now. We cannot reduce now. We are going to take C common factor. By taking C common factor, the left hand of the numbers will be M minus 1. By taking C from both, it will be M. Take C from denominator C, M power 2 minus 1. Reduce by cancelling C from the upper and lower term. Then M minus 1 over M power 2 minus 1. We have not finished yet because we are going to factorize M power 2 minus 1. Factorize M power 2 minus 1 into two factors. The two factors of M power 2 minus 1, M plus 1 and M minus 1, difference of two squares. By cancelling M minus 1 from the upper and lower terms, then the left-hand side is 1 over M minus 1. Sorry, M plus 1. Right-hand side. Right-hand side equals C over B plus C. Substitute by B by Cm plus C. And now we'll take the highest common factor from the denominator, which is C. Take C. Then the result is M plus 1. By cancelling C from the upper and lower terms, then the right-hand side will be 1 over M plus 1. Finally, we got that the left-hand side, 1 over M plus 1. The right-hand side is 1 over M plus 1. Then the left-hand side equal right-hand side. Thank you.